AI researcher Geoffrey Hinton believes that AI systems will be able to feel emotions such as frustration and anger in the future because they can narrate hypothetical actions associated with emotions. TorchScale is a PyTorch library that allows researchers and developers to scale up transformers efficiently and effectively. Companies are investing heavily in AI-specialized data centers to accommodate the surging demand for AI applications. The AI infrastructure market is projected to grow to $422.55 billion by 2029. Notably, data center startup CoreWeave secured $2.3 billion in funding to expand its AI-ready data center construction. Other industry giants like Meta Platforms are reconsidering their AI data center projects. Researchers have proposed a new approach for evaluating LLMs that uses deep networks that mimic academic paper review processes. Using multiple layers and neurons that represent different perspectives results in more comprehensive evaluations. LanceDB is a new developer-friendly and serverless vector database for AI applications. It can be embedded into apps with no servers to manage, and it scales on disk rather than memory with low latency. LanceDB has support for vector search, full-text search, and SQL and is optimized for multimodal data. New research has shown that depending on which LLM you use, you will get answers charged with differing political biases, with GPT-4 the most left-wing libertarian and Llama the most right-wing authoritarian. This paper introduces a dataset to see if AI sees images like humans do. The dataset has three main groups: must act, must abstain, and uncertain, designed to test AI's decision-making on clear, unclear, or blurry images. This chaining tool might be the first actually truly useful one for both prototyping and production. It uses function decorators and YAML templates in a clever and powerful way to enable chaining. Examples show that you can write a chatbot, vector database, and more in just 20 lines. Microsoft has announced that Bing Chat will soon be available in third-party browsers for both desktop and mobile devices. Artie is a real-time data streaming solution for databases to data warehouses. It leverages change data capture and stream processing to perform data transfers in a more efficient way, enabling sub-minute latency and lowering data warehouse networking costs. OpenAI now lets you block its web crawler from scraping your site for data to help train GPT models. Salesforce has announced the release of Einstein Studio, a management console that allows customers to import their own models into Data Cloud without the need for data extraction, transformation, and loading. This feature is aimed at companies with sophisticated data teams who have already built models in other platforms like SageMaker. Classifier free guidance is a way to steer generation of models. It is used heavily in image generation. It also works well for text and now is supported in the generate methods of Hugging Face models. Embed is a new tool that tests how well LLMs can handle tasks that involve both images and words, like figuring out math problems from a photo or explaining jokes in pictures. WebGPU Torch is a TypeScript library that enables running neural networks in the browser at speeds comparable to a Linux workstation. The library, which aims to match PyTorch's API, is implemented using WebGPU and offers optimized inference and autograd capabilities. The author re-implemented basic operations for WebGPU and utilized a code generator to optimize memory layout in kernels.